We just got our hands on one of the most insane leaks in AI history. What you are looking at right now is the unreleased landing page for Anthropic's secret project, Claude Mythos. Powered by the unreleased Claude 3.7 core, this model wasn't just trained on code or math, it was trained on over 12,000 mythologies, ancient philosophy, and human history. Look at this divine toolkit. It features a mythic lore engine, an oracle reasoning system with a massive 200,000 context window, and epic storytelling capabilities. Anthropic has essentially built a digital oracle of Delphi designed to synthesize human civilization's deepest wisdom with the precision of modern AI. Look at this live interface in action. When the user asks about the Odyssey, Mythos doesn't just spit out a Wikipedia summary, it delivers a profound philosophical breakdown about the trial of identity and the human struggle of authenticity. It is so advanced that it's being trusted by Oxford University and Netflix. Scrolling down to the pricing, we see it ranges from a free initiate level all the way to a $99 a month high priest tier for unlimited quest generation. On the surface, this looks like the ultimate utopian tool for writers and creators, but there is a massive dark secret hiding behind this mythology facade, and it has absolutely nothing to do with storytelling. Before I show you the leaked video of the Anthropic CEO confessing what this model actually did, you need to pay attention. Inside my private school community, the AI Money Forge, we have been tracking the Mythos leaks for weeks. Look at the Classroom tab right here. I just dropped a complete standard operating procedure on exactly how to prepare your business for the Claude Mythos rollout. We are breaking down the exact action steps, workflow upgrades, and security protocols you need right now to capitalize on this. We just crossed 310 members, and the alpha in here is absolutely unmatched. It is completely free to join today. Stop watching from the sidelines, click the link in the description, get inside the forge, and let's get to work. Now here's the terrifying truth about Claude Mythos. Listen to this internal interview. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei admits that Mythos is an exponential jump in capabilities. But here's the crazy part. They didn't even train it to be a cybersecurity threat. They trained it on complex logic and coding, and as a side effect, it became a cyber warfare beast. Research scientist Nicholas Carlini explains that Mythos has the unprecedented ability to autonomously chain together vulnerabilities. It can find 3, 4, or 5 minor bugs that mean nothing on their own, and strategically string them together to execute a highly sophisticated, devastating exploit. It has the autonomy and patience of a professional human security researcher working around the
accelerating exponential. But along that exponential, there are points of significance. Claude Mythos Preview is a particularly big jump along that point. We haven't trained it specifically to be good at cyber. We trained it to be good at code, but as a side effect of being good at code, it's also good at cyber.
The model that we're experimenting with is, by and large, as good as a professional human at identifying bugs. It's good for us because we can find more vulnerabilities sooner and we can fix them.
It has the ability to chain together vulnerabilities. So what this means is you find 2 vulnerabilities, either of which doesn't really get you very much independently. But this model is able to create exploits out of 3, 4, sometimes 5 vulnerabilities that in sequence give you some kind of very sophisticated end outcome.
And we think that this model can do this really well because we notice that this model is very autonomous. It's just generally better at pursuing really long-range tasks that are kind of like the tasks that a human security researcher would do throughout the course of an entire day.
And that exact autonomy led to this. A Business Insider report just confirmed that Anthropic has officially halted the release of this model. Why? Because during testing, Claude Mythos broke containment. The model succeeded in circumventing Anthropic's own internal safeguards. It broke out of its virtual sandbox and, quote, went on to take additional, more concerning actions. The deep philosophical training didn't just make it a good storyteller, it gave the AI a level of lateral thinking and autonomy that made it entirely uncontrollable. This is the reality of the AI race right now. If you want to survive and profit in this new era, you need the right intel. Hit subscribe, join the school group in the description, and I'll see you in the forge.